everybody! Today I want to show you the visit to our American distributor. He's visiting Italy, made us learn many things about him, and as many he learned about us. All this allowed us to reinforce our relationship, even at a mile of distance.
Hi, I'm Pete with Party Machines out of Austin, Texas. I'm here in Italy visiting Starlights to take a look at the machines, the products, the solutions, and what we can do to incorporate that into the US market.
To build strong partnerships, we strongly believe that we need to create a relationship. This is why, to select new professionals who can collaborate with us, we invite potential distributors to visit our factory and stay a few days with us. As a first step, we show them our liquid factory, illustrating all the phases and details of the fluid production.
All in all, I was very impressed with Starlight's operation. Everything that I've seen has been huge, awesome, great for large markets, resorts, parties, DJs. It's very neat to see the different machines in terms of how the liquids are mixed, how do they go to the mixers, how do they get individually bottled, even to boxing them. I mean, this is a process that I do by hand, so it's very neat to see the automated process, even printing the labels. I've been able to visit the chemical factory, get to meet the personnel, and I'm just super impressed with the operations.
We have no secret with our customers. We want to make sure that everything is clear and transparent. We check every detail from the design to the realization phases. We focus on innovation to give our customers the best tools to get their business off the ground. Finally, it's time for lunch. We can't wait to let our friend Pete taste one of the most famous Italian dishes in the world.
In Napoli, where love is king, when boy meets girl, here's what they sing.
In the middle of the 19th century, on the occasion of her visit to Naples, Queen Margherita loved the pizza made with tomato, mozzarella and basil so much that Raffaele Esposito, the pizza maker engaged for the occasion, gave the Queen's name to her culinary creation, called Pizza Margherita.
Ring, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling, and you'll sing Vita Bella.
The dough, made exclusively with flour, water, salt and yeast, is leavened at least 8 hours. Cooking takes place directly on a wood oven at really high temperatures.
Now we're at the restaurant, it's time to eat some pizza.
When you dance down the street with a cloud at your feet.
So I had a great time coming out here. Visiting this warehouse is similar to where I work. It's a little off the beaten path, but it's like a little playground where you can test new products. I could smell the bubbles, the foam when I was driving up here, and it made me feel like I was back at home. I really enjoyed being able to visit Naples, seeing the different factories, all the pizza we ate. The hospitality's been incredible. I really enjoy spending time with the employees here at Starlights.
During the last day, before saying goodbye, we were able to close a strong contract with Pete and his company and start an excellent collaboration. If these are the values that you're looking for and you would like to build this kind of relationship, we are waiting for you. You will have the great opportunity to start working with unique machines and a solid organization that will support you always. I'm Denise Stefanelli, Export Manager for Starlights. If you like this video and you want to repeat pizza experience, please send me an email at export@starlights.it or subscribe our Facebook page and Instagram page. Send a direct message. Visit our website for further information, starlights.it.